Bonjour tout le monde! This is Anne from Artstarcastle. Artstarcastle is where you reach for the stars to find information, inspiration, practical skills and connections to help you on your learning journey in art and design. In today's lesson, we will be reaching for the Collage Heart Art Star. We will use the colour wheel to select complementary colours. Complementary colours are colours that are opposite each other on the colour wheel. For today's lesson, we will need a cereal box, a pair of scissors, an old magazine and some glue. Materials ready? Let's get started. Take the magazine. As you go through the magazine, find the 6 colours of the colour wheel: red, orange, yellow, green, blue and purple. If there are any pages that have a lot of one of these colours on, then tear those pages out. It's now time to make your collage pieces using the pages that you've taken out of the magazine. For the background of the collage heart, we will be using a cereal box. You need to cut out a square shape. The square shape that I have cut out is 18 centimeters by 18 centimeters. We will now draw the outline of the heart onto the square piece of cardboard. For the first collage heart, I will be using the complementary colours red and green. Cover the heart with glue and then you can begin to stick down the red collage pieces. Once you have completed the heart, you can cover the background with glue and stick down the green collage pieces. For the third collage heart, I will be using the complementary colours yellow and purple. why not use the colour wheel to make more collage hearts? You can pick colours that are beside each other on the colour wheel or opposite, or you can make a collage heart related to a particular theme. Congratulations if you have completed this learning journey and reached the Collage Art Star. Please give this video a thumbs up. And for more videos like this, please click on the subscribe star and click on the bell so that you can get notified whenever I release the next lesson. Thank you for joining me on this Art Star learning journey. See you in the next video. Au revoir tout le monde!